Meet Toto, the most mischievous and lovable cat in town. Toto's favorite hobby, causing chaos. But Toto's mischief always leads to hilarious adventures. Whether it's dancing in silly costumes or playing hide and seek, Toto knows how to bring joy to everyone. But underneath all the mischief, Toto has a heart full of love. Toto's cuddles and purrs can brighten up even the gloomiest of days. Toto's misadventures also bring laughter to their furry friends. So join Toto on his hilarious and heartwarming journey. And get ready for a perfectly delightful time.